So TJ, you and I have a lot of experience in the welding field. We've talked earlier about stitch welds and plug welds and even the spot resistance welds. But there are different characteristics also in what sets up a weld from wire and temp and whatnot. So can you kind of elaborate a little bit on what those setups might be?
Yeah, absolutely. The material thickness is really going to determine what electrode wire and voltage of the machine is required for that particular weld. If you look at the repair procedures, hopefully they give you kind of a ballpark with either a steel repairability matrix or something of the sort to get in the ballpark. Now you got to do a practice weld on the very similar thickness material that you want to be, welding on the vehicle, and the shape of the bead as you're practicing will determine if you need more heat, more wire speed, and a destructive weld test will guarantee that the settings you've chosen are the correct ones. So if you have too flat of a bead profile, too much heat. Too like the beads on top of the material, not really digging in, you need more heat. And obviously penetration, you'll see during the destructive test, will determine if you need more wire speed or less. And you definitely got to do that practice weld before you do it on the vehicle to make sure that the machine's set up properly.
So terrifically. The thing I get out of that is basically that just because the machine was set up yesterday to do a weld on one car doesn't mean it's ready to do a weld on the car today.
That's exactly right.
Well, TJ, I sure appreciate these tips.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.